Assalamu alaikum to class. How are you all? Student, this is your English lesson, and today we are going to do adjectives. As in the previous lesson, I have told you that adjective describes a noun, and in this lesson we will compare two different adjectives. We'll compare the adjectives, like if a quality is having two persons having a quality, but how they are differ from each other. We will compare with the degrees of adjectives. Students, we can add er, r and s to adjectives. When we compare between two things or between two person, we use er. Like if a boy is happy, ठीक है, and when we say that Ali is happy but Hamza is more happier, then we add er. Okay, and when we said that as we have read in the lesson that Gida is the happiest animal, means when we compare one person with the all of the other person or all of the other objectives or animals, then we use est. Okay, then we add est, and if there is a word end with y, we will skip that y and we add iest. For example, happiest. Gida was the happiest animal at all. And for example, the word is pretty. Like sparrow is a pretty bird. But when there are two birds and we are comparing, then we say that, for example, pigeon and sparrow, we say that pigeon is prettier than sparrow. And if there are many birds, for example, if there is also a peacock, then we can say that peacock is the prettiest bird because it's also having wings. So in this way, when we compare two persons, two things, then we use sound to make it second degree of adjective. And if there are more than two persons or two things or two objects, then we use est. Or if there is the word is ending with y, then we remove y and add iest. Now your task is on page number 42. Complete the sentences with your opinion. You and your friends can have different ideas. The horses are angrier than the goat, as you see, okay, in the picture. The chicks are prettier than the dash. Now you can write the any animal that you want to compare. For example, if we compare chicks with the ducks, you can say ducks. Chicks are prettier than the ducks or than the goose. The geese are happy dash and dash. The geese are happier than because we compared two, the geese are happier than, we can say that, horse, goat or chicks. You can compare these animal with any other animal from this picture. Okay, because they also told you that you and your friend having different ideas, so it's not compulsory for everyone to compare the same things. The goats are naughtier. Now the goats are naughtier than the horse. As you see, they are playing with the ball. I think that the naughtiest animal are the dash. Which animal is the naughtiest? Means they are doing disturbance for all. So you have to write down which animal is the naughtiest animal. For example, it may be goat, it may be geese or horse. So according to your opinion, you will have to write it here. I think the prettiest animal, which is the prettiest animal from this picture? It may be, according to you, it may be Gida, means it may be goats, it may be geese, it may be chicks. So which are the prettiest animal according to you? You have to write down here. I think the angriest animal. Which angriest animals, right? Animals are the which are angriest, you have to write down, and happiest, which are the happiest animal, you will write here. So the first four are using because they are the comparison between two, and the last four are using the est because it's a comparison with one with all. Okay, and the next is underline the names below, copy them into your notebook and start each. Underline the names below, which are the names, which are the nouns. Like Gida is the noun, horse, hobby is a name, okay, it's a name of horse. Chook is a name of chicken, and Samira. So which are the names, you will underline that name and you will write it again by capitalize the first letter. Okay, like hobby, you will capital the first letter and write it like this. Okay student, after completing this, you make the sentences that is given in your diary on your notebook. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.